In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use audio from Forza to take your real-life car videos to the next level. This is a great way to mimic that cinematic sound design without having access to expensive audio equipment. For example, I shot these clips using my iPhone and didn't have an access to an external mic or any sort of additional audio equipment whatsoever. And as you can imagine, sticking your phone out of the window is not a great way to capture audio, and the audio from these clips is pretty much useless, which I'm going to demonstrate right now. Not that you needed a demonstration, but that's what we're working with, and I'm just going to go ahead and unlink this and throw this audio in the garbage. So let's jump into Forza here and record some audio, which I have loaded up here. It helps to use the same car if possible, or at least the same kind of car with the same kind of engine. You know, if your car has an inline 6, use a car with an inline 6. If your car has a V8, use a car with a V8. So let's just go ahead and start the race here and start driving around to capture some audio. It's important to be mindful of what kind of clips you shot and what kind of audio you need. For example, that one shot was just a rolling clip of some cruising, so that's exactly what I'm going to do in the game. So that should do it for any cruising audio. If you need some hardcore acceleration, you can definitely do so as well in the game and record the clips. There is an additional clip in the Adobe project of the subject car cruising and then downshifting to accelerate. So I'm going to replicate that here in the game, and hopefully the audio can transfer over pretty good. Okay, that should do it. Let's hop back into Adobe now. All right, now we're back in Premiere Pro, and as you can see, I've got the clips imported into the project, and it looks kind of goofy because the project is 4K and the video that I recorded from Forza is 1080p. Not a big deal. We're not going to be using the video anyway. We're just going to grab the audio. So let's give it a play and see what it sounds like. So definitely some usable audio that should work great with the clips that we have of the car rolling. I'm going to go ahead and unlink that from the thing, which I've actually already done. So go ahead and get rid of that here, and we can move the audio to the clip. So let's give this a play, see what this looks and sounds like together now. So not perfect, but pretty passable. Now you're generally not just gonna have a video of a car and the sound. If you're doing that, I would not recommend this exact process. But this works great for cinematic videos. Like if you're doing some cool music stuff. I'm gonna throw some music on this video here, which I already have. I'm just gonna unmute that and give it a play now to see what it sounds like together with the audio of the car and the song and against the video. So that sounds pretty awesome. I'm gonna dial back the sound here just a little bit just for the sake of the video, to give you guys a better understanding of how it sounds all together now. So that's actually pretty awesome. Pretty awesome that we were able to grab audio from a video game and pair it up with a video from real life and make something pretty cool. Now, here's a bonus clip here of the car, the same car, cruising and then accelerating. As you can imagine and see, this audio is terrible and not usable. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that here. And then we did grab one more clip from the game of the same thing, essentially the cruising speed and then accelerating. So that's awesome. Let's try to unlink that here and bring the audio here and try to get these to match up. I'm going to mute the audio of the song here And that looked okay. Let's try that again and make sure that our audio is synced up. So we could probably move the audio a little ahead there. Okay, and without having stereo audio, this is not going to be perfect, but what we can do is fade this out to try to mimic that same car going further away, getting quieter effect. So maybe not perfect, but against some audio from the music, it might work pretty well. Honestly, not great, but with some tweaking and some actual planning, it could work out really well. I hope this video can help someone make something really awesome with not a lot to their hands, and have some fun, enjoy it. This is what it's all about. Make some cool stuff. Thanks for watching.